how to hide apps in iPhone iOS 17. So if you want to hide apps on your iPhone on iOS 17, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is to go ahead and then first of all you can see a couple of applications on your home screen, and if I want to hide some of the apps, so let's say I want to hide Binance, all I have to do is long press on this Binance app, tap on the minus icon there. Here it says to delete app or remove from home screen. So if I want to just delete it, I can choose to delete it. If I want to remove from home screen and hide it, I can tap on remove from home screen, and you can see it will get successfully hidden. Now if I want to unhide it, I can simply come back to the app library and search for that same application here and simply get it back to my home screen like this. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.